guys, it's Jessie here. I'm back with another video. I was going to put on some makeup, do my hair, sit down, and have a nice little chat with you guys while I drank some coffee. It was a cutesy little video idea because I want to give you guys a little bit of a life update and tell you what's been going on. But time got away from me. Laundry needs folded. I could either fold the laundry and talk to you guys or not talk to you guys at all. Running out of time rapidly here. I gotta get to the school to pick up my kiddo here real quick. So I decided just to do a little laundry chat with you guys a little bit while I fold this load of laundry. That'll kind of keep me on track and keep me hopefully from talking for 25 minutes. When the laundry's done being folded, that's when I'm done talking to you guys. So, first of all, I want to thank those of you who watched my summer vlogs, who commented on them, who, you know, left some sort of response. I know that the vlogging this summer was not as consistent as I would have liked. It wasn't what I kind of set out to do when I first announced that I was going to be vlogging every day in the summer. It just got to be too much. Editing every day and filming every single day. Especially when we didn't have something exciting going on every day. This summer, basically, we spent doing a whole lot of nothing, and it just didn't make for good vlogging material. I was editing the vlogs every day at first at the beginning of summer, and they were just really repetitive, really boring, and I got to the point where I wasn't enjoying them anymore. And my whole YouTube thing has always been about, you know, having fun with it. I have never ever been the type of person to upload a video trying to make money. I have in the past done review videos where I've kind of been sent a product and then I'm able to share my opinion of said product with you guys, but I've never been paid to do a video, nothing like that. I do make a teeny tiny little bit of money on the ads that I put at the beginning of my videos, but it's like negligible amounts of money. This is not about money for me. It never has been. It's definitely just always been a hobby. I like to share my life with you guys. I don't have a huge group of in real life friends, so I don't know, I guess you guys are kind of my friends. I like to share what's going on with you. But the summer vlogs, going back to what we started with in the beginning, just were repetitive. They were boring. There was nothing to show you. I didn't want those of you who watch my vlogs every day to seriously just have to be watching the same thing. So I kind of, towards the end there, combined a bunch of days. There were some days that I didn't film at all. Lots of days, actually, where I didn't film at all. And by the way, I hope that I'm in frame. My camera that I'm using right now is a camera that doesn't have a little viewfinder screen, so I set it up. It's pointing at me, but I don't know if you guys can even see me, but hopefully you can. So yeah, the summer vlogs did not end up being what I wanted them to be. I know some of you still enjoyed them. I really appreciate those of you that watched. Obviously, the view count on those videos as the summer progressed got lower and lower and lower, and that's kind of been the case with all of my videos lately. And again, it's not that big of a deal to me because I'm not in it to make money. If this was like my livelihood, I might worry. But it is kind of disconcerting when you see the views go down, and you know, I have something like 3,000 subscribers, but I'm only getting a couple of hundred views on my videos, and sometimes not even that. And that is a little disconcerting, especially when I see other people who have had their channels much less time, who kind of have the same style of videos as me, blowing by me and getting thousands of subscribers and hundreds of thousands of views on their videos. I wish that I had that kind of audience, but I don't, and that's just how it is. But I just wanted to make sure that I thanked those of you that are still sticking around, that have been with me since the beginning. I appreciate you guys. And if I drop down to 10 views a video, I'm still gonna do videos. When I first started YouTube, that was the kind of views I was getting on my videos. It was just sort of started out as an outlet for me to do something. I think at that point it was almost time for Austin to start school, or he had started school, or I don't know, something in me was like, I have to find a purpose and I have to fill the hours of the day with something. So I started my YouTube channel. It started out primarily as a beauty channel, which is hilarious to me now because very rarely do I wear makeup. I have 500 nail polishes and my nails look like this. I'm just in a totally different place in my life right now than I was then, but I love that YouTube has always been there, you know, and I like sharing with you guys. So hopefully you guys have not been completely bored and wavering on whether or not you want to continue to stay subscribed to me. Hopefully I'm able to put out videos that you guys are interested in, even if there's just a few of you left. So, sort of halfway through my pile here already and I haven't really said anything. I just want to tell you guys that coming up on the channel, it's going to be pretty much more of the same. We're going back to weekly vlogging. The daily vlogging clearly did not work. There's just not enough excitement in my life to fill a vlog every day. I will go back to daily vlogging in December for Vlogmas. Although Vlogmas might look very different this year than it has in previous years because my kids are getting older, you guys. And I think that's probably a little bit to do with why my views have dropped so much, is that I just don't have cute little ones anymore. They were kind of older as it was when I first started sharing them here on the channel. And now they're really old, 15 and 10. And while I'm sure that there's an audience for stay-at-home mom with a 10 and a 15-year-old, it's just not as big as those stay-at-home mamas that are, you know, nursing newborns and whatnot. So I'm sure that's part of it. Where was I going? I lost my train of thought. I should really write notes before I do this style of video so that I don't go off on a tangent and forget where I was going with that, but alas, I don't. Yeah, no clue. Oh well. But yeah, they're older now. They are in school. They are wanting to be on camera less and less, especially my oldest son. He's a sophomore in high school. He doesn't want to be on my YouTube channel very much. He still occasionally will agree to let me film him, but I'm not pushing it and I'm not going to force him to be on camera if it's something he's not comfortable with. I've had comments in the past from not subscribers, but from people who have just stumbled across my videos saying things like, oh, imagine how embarrassed your son would be if his friends came across this channel and whatnot. And I think he's sort of in that headspace now too. Like, he's fine with me showing certain things, and he did agree to do that fashion video, that back to school fashion video. He's really into clothes right now and picking out different outfits and stuff, and he was excited to share that. But just in general, day to day, I don't think he's going to be popping up too much on my channel, and so that might make Vlogmas a little bit different this year. They're also just in general older, so they're not into the same things. You know, we do a different holiday themed activity every day in the month of December, and that has been a big part of Vlogmas, but a lot of those activities are just things that are too little for my little ones now. They're just too grown up for, you know, candy cane scavenger hunts and stuff. So might look a little bit different, and it might be the last year that we kind of do daily vlogging in December, depending on how it goes. Just kind of keeping my options open. You know, things have changed a lot over the last 5 years that I've been doing this YouTube thing. Obviously the direction of my channel has changed, the focus has shifted. And I know some of you guys have been with me since the beginning. If any of you are still watching that used to watch my beauty or nail polish videos, leave a comment down below and tell me, because I'd love to know who's still here from back then. If you've stuck around that long, you are for sure a trooper. But yeah, the direction of my channel's changing a little bit, but for the most part, I'm going to try for 5 videos a week. I'm not going to promise them. we're busy around here. There's lots going on all the time now. Soccer is in full swing. Robotics is in full swing. I spend a lot of my days just kind of running around catching up on housework, and nobody wants to see that all the time. So I'm going to try for 5 videos a week, but honestly, if I don't have things to talk about, I'm not going to force a video just for the sake of forcing a video. Again, it's not about numbers for me. Whether it's 4 videos, 5 videos, whatever comes naturally is what I'm going to do. And hopefully you guys will stick around for it. So I'm trying for videos Monday through Friday, early morning uploads, but not always promised, just going to depend on the day. And hopefully you guys will continue to get something out of this channel and you'll enjoy the videos, lots of grocery hauls, different meal ideas, meal prep, that sort of thing. I'm not doing weight loss videos because I'm just not in a headspace to lose weight right now. I keep thinking that I'm going to get back there and I'm just not sure it's ever going to happen, so no promises on that coming up. Just kind of day-to-day mom life. 33-year-old stay-at-home mom living in Southeast Michigan who doesn't really have a whole lot of friends or an interesting social life, so that's what you're gonna get when you come here. So my laundry is done. I'm just going to fold these last few socks and put things away, but I hope you guys enjoyed chatting with me today. You got something out of this video. Kind of went in a different direction than what I thought it would. That happens a lot when I start talking. Like I said, maybe next time I'll write some notes out so I know what I want to talk about. So be on the lookout for another chit chat video coming soon for all the stuff I initially wanted to sit down and talk to you guys about. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave me a comment down below. Tell me what sort of videos you would most like to see here on my channel. Thank you guys so much for your continued support and for watching. I love you guys all. Bye for now.